Hey guys, so this is the large freestanding infrared heater. It comes with a remote control and a stand right here. Let's go ahead and put it together and go over some of the main features. Put these two pieces together and then attach to the bottom of the heater with the provided screws. The stand has heavyweight plates on the bottom that keeps the heater upright and very stable. It's got a heavy-duty 6-foot cord. And this is the switch, so we turn it on right here, and then we can control it over on the top. So this is the power button that turns it on, and then you choose the level over here. You can also change the timer to how many hours you want it to run, and look at that lamp. It turns on instantly and puts out heat right away, which is a very good thing, and it's very energy efficient as well. Those infrared lamps are very energy efficient. They put out a lot of heat, and you'll feel the heat like instantly. So that technology is pretty good. So you can set the timer for up to 24 hours to run, and then it'll stop after that time. So for example, if you're using it outside in the patio, you know you're going to be out there for maybe 3 hours. So you set the timer for 3 hours, and then it'll just shut off when you're all done, and you don't have to worry about keeping it on and having it run throughout the night. You can also use this remote that it comes with. It has all the functions right here, so you can choose low, medium, or high, which is 500 watt, 1000 watt, or 1500 watt, and then the timer, and that'll change on the screen over here. So if I just press 500 watt, it'll change to 1, 2, and this is the high setting. So this also gives you an extra level of convenience. This is a great lamp for outdoors. Also for areas like this room right here. It's kind of our breezeway, and it does get cold in the winter quickly. What's different about this heater is, first of all, this lamp is very good size. That's why it puts out heat very quickly. You can use it outdoors and patios. And the thing is, it doesn't just throw the heat. It basically just puts out the radiant heat, which you feel even if you're sitting outside when it's chilly, and you can feel that heat coming at you. The stand is very good quality, and as I mentioned before, it has weights, which keeps this heater very stable. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please support my channel by hitting the like and subscribe buttons, and have yourself a great day.